Perform a partial fraction decomposition of the rational polynomial p at x. So we're given that the polynomial p at x is given by x minus 7 over x minus 2 So we're doing a partial fraction decomposition. So we take a look at the denominators. The denominator is, we can write this as some constant a over x minus 2, the first fraction product term. The second term is b over x minus 3, x plus 3, I'm sorry. So we have to solve for a and b for all values of x. This equation is kind of, we could select any values of x that we want, but I think if we multiplied this equation by x minus 2, x plus 3 on both sides, so this would be x minus 7 over x minus 2 over x plus 3. So it's a trick. So we don't have to, we can try different values of x. So this is a So this term cancels this term, x plus 3 cancels this term. So we're left with x minus 7. And this, now we're doing a distribution of this over these two terms. So x minus 2 cancels this, x plus 3 cancels x plus 3, and we're left with x minus 7 is equal to a times x plus 3 plus b x minus 2. So this equation is not equivalent to this equation. I'm sorry, where's the equation? This equation. The reason is that in this equation, x can't be equal to 2, x cannot be equal to negative 3. But here, x can be equal to 2 and x can be equal to negative 3. And when x is equal to 2, this whole term becomes 0. When x equals to negative 3, this whole term becomes 0. So it's very easy to evaluate for the values a and b. So let's imagine that we select if x is equal to negative 3. So this whole term is 0, so this becomes negative 3 minus 7 is equal to a times negative 3 plus 3. This is the term that becomes 0, plus b times negative 3 minus 2. So this becomes negative 10 is equal to b times negative 5, and b is equal to 2. A simple calculation. So we can repeat the process again with if x is equal to 2, so this whole term becomes 0, then we can solve for a. If x is equal to 2, then we have negative 2, positive 2, I'm sorry, minus 7 is equal to a times 2 plus 3 plus b 2 minus 2. This whole term is 0. And so we're left with negative 5 is equal to a times 5, which says that a is equal to minus 1. So we have two values of a and b. So we evaluated a is equal to minus 1, so we can say that Is there enough space? Yeah, I think so. X minus 7 over x minus 2, x plus 3 is equal to a is the value of minus 1 over x minus 2 plus b is a value of 2, 3. And so this is the partial decomposition of x minus 7 over x minus 2 times x plus 3.